Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your archive stories on Facebook. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're in Facebook, come to your profile section by just clicking on this profile picture at the top right corner right here. Now once you're here, scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and in here click on settings. Now in here, scroll down and look for activity log in your activity. Now in here click on this archive button right here, and in here click on story archive, and in here you will see all your archived stories. As I don't have any, my story archive is empty. So that is how you can see your archived stories on Facebook. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your archived stories in Facebook. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're at Facebook, click on your profile picture at the top right corner right here, click on it, and in here click on settings and privacy, and in here click on settings. Now once you're here, scroll down on the left side right here and look for activity log in your activity. Just click on it. Now once you're here, just simply scroll down again on the left side and look for archive at the bottom right here. Just click on it and click on story archive, and you will see your archived stories right here. So that is how you can see your archived stories in Facebook.